We often get asked which app we use in our productions and which settings will get you the best results. Our answer is always the same: the Beastcam app. Yes, it's our app, and we spent the last 7 years perfecting it. While the iPhone camera is excellent for both photos and videos, the native camera has its own limitations. It does not provide much control over ISO, shutter speed, stabilization, and other crucial settings. So, if achieving the highest image quality and having control over the settings is essential for you, that's where Beastcam app comes in handy. The latest iPhone's 15 Pro series introduced the new features like ProRes log and 48 megapixel RAW photos. In response, we released an update incorporating ProRes log, and now we're excited to show you some sample footage captured with our Beastcam app in the log profile, which was later color graded using our custom LUTs. Let us know in the comment section if you'd like us to make a separate video explaining the color grading process for iPhone footage. All the clips you saw here were shot on iPhone 15 Pro with the Beast Cage in ProRes log 422 at 4K 60 FPS. You might wonder why we didn't use 24 FPS. We kinda prefer 60 FPS because it provides us with a greater creative flexibility during the post-production. If you don't want to shoot in 422 codec, there are other options available. Simply press the third icon in the top left corner, and under the quality settings you can switch to 422 HQ, 422 LT or 422 Proxy. Additionally, you can now film with these settings without needing an external SSD drive. The native iPhone camera only allows 4K 60 FPS recording on an external hard drive, but with the Beastcam app, you can record directly onto your iPhone. Just keep in mind that 4K 60 FPS ProRes files are large, so ensure you have plenty of free storage. And for those who prefer to record on external hard drive, we will introduce this feature to our app in an upcoming update very soon. If you prefer not to shoot in ProRes log, that's not a problem. The Beastcam app also supports 10-bit HDR, 10-bit and 8-bit recording. For studio shots, we recommend switching the exposure mode to Smart to reduce noise and enhance picture quality. Also, a quick tip: when filming with the anamorphic lens, remember to turn off stabilization in the app to avoid the jello effect. And now we're gonna show you some sample footage filmed with the Beast Grip anamorphic lens in ProRes log. summary, the Beastcam offers unparalleled control over your iPhone's camera settings, and if you are serious about iPhone filmmaking, we highly recommend downloading the Beastcam app. And hey, it's only $2.99, which means it's even more affordable than a Big Mac at your local McDonald's. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in next videos.